Go, big dog. All right, we're heading off to a beautiful nature reserve trail. It's good for walking, running, hiking, or cycling, or even dog walking, bird watching. It's just across the street from Bond Lake, which we should arrive there in less than 10 minutes. This is gonna be a rock cut, start to finish. No cuts in between. It's a beautiful, good old nature ride. Right, Michael? You still rocking your slippers?
I am.
He's got the slippers on. I think the wind died down quite a bit. It's still there, but nowhere near as strong. So we're going to hang a left here onto Yonge Street. I can smell the Harvey's grease again. Yeah, I smell the grease. It's greasy. That probably even smells worse than McDonald's.
Yeah.
I used to see this guy at the skate park last year. He'd be wearing a winter jacket in the 30-degree heat. Oh yeah, that guy was.
Just escaped the mental hospital.
Yeah, that guy was very different looking. Gotta be really careful right here. A lot of people, they turn in and out. They'll whip through the stop sign, not a care in the world, and they can, they'll come close to you. They might not see you till like last second, which is already too late.
Because this is when we want it to happen, when we got it on film, not when we don't have
exactly.
it on film.
So nothing happens, period, though.
We want it to happen.
Yeah.
There was a time we wanted it to happen, now's the time.
Exactly.
Let's make a video.
Mm-hmm. I smell more. Maybe that's coming from Wimpy's.
Oh, that smells like cake ball, probably that.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Even here on these trees, a guy can be whipping out of the gas station. But I noticed the traffic died down a lot.
I don't know.
At least for the time being. Maybe for only a 20-second window.
All the traffic are going to be coming from south headed north.
Yeah. So where we're going right now, we're heading right for us, basically. Anyways, the next set of lights to our left will be Bond Lake. What?
This is the basket.
What do you mean? Oh yeah.
Is the lake's gonna?
Yeah, so up ahead there to the left, we're gonna go right across Bond Lake.
Anyways, March?
I don't know, man. You gotta check on the calendar.
July right now.
Yeah. And then to the right, that's a nature reserve trail we're going to be going down. It's not too bad, traffic-wise. The longest street in the world ain't too bad, eh? When do you think we should cross up at the lights? If we get the opportunity to. Oh, not now, yeah. So right here is Bond Lake. Something smells really bad. It smells like old sewage. I don't know where it's coming from. There's no sewers around us. What? I think right now.
Yesterday when you almost got the ticket?
Oh, now there's a car there. What about it?
Is that where you're from?
Yeah. Man, your bike don't sound too good, boss. Your bike didn't sound too good when you're crossing. Maybe your gears were slipping.
You parked right in front of that jumbo do not park sign?
Yeah, I had to chase a guy down not to write me up a ticket. All right, so to the left of us is Bond Lake. That's the east side of Yonge. We're going westbound. We are going to be passing Bathurst Glen, is it? Golf club. A golf course. I said golf club, I meant to say golf course. But this is a trail nonetheless, folks. This is a trail here. So we're going from Yonge Street, basically where the trail ends, it ends at Bathurst. This is a nature, yeah, this is a nature reserve trail, folks. Sun is shining beautifully. Sunlight and deep blue skies, folks, that's all you can ask for. And nice, fair temperatures. Not too hot, not too much humidity, just right. Okay, one of the climbs. Not the funnest. Ooh, Mike's way behind us there. He is not like climbing on that bike. Is that your favorite bike to climb with? Huh? Is that the best bike for climbing? Uh-huh. Oh, yeah. You can tell he's pooped. That bike is not the best for climbing. I'm on the hardtail here.
Manually hold the gear so it doesn't slip.
Yeah, I know.
Even then it's not.
I know. I hear ya. See, at least me, I'm on the hardtail. Your suspension is pretty stiff, but you still got that bob at the back. Still got that pedal bob happening. Anyway, another little climb here, and after that, it's mostly downhill. Well, we can switch whenever you like. You want to swap bikes? I'll get a view on your CCM. Maybe the same spot as earlier? All right, buddy. Phew! Sorry for the wind noise. Sorry for the wind. It should die down, though. It should. Set? So you want to swap bikes right here like last time? All right, so we're making the bike swap. We're going onto the CCM that's doesn't really switch gears.
Uphill.
And we'll see about that. Well, really, we did all the uphill for the most part. Now it's just going to be basically downhill.
So beautiful, yeah.
All right, I'm behind you, big dog. Big boy. Whoa. I just felt the gears again.
I feel a little better now. It's not just me.
Uh-huh.
Bike doesn't just hit me.
Uh-huh. Apparently not.
I wish you had it when all the big hills were there.
Yeah, I got it where it's the easy part, right? It's all good. Now, there are still a lot of grasshoppers here. We don't want to run these guys over. Just look at these beautiful fields here. So I'm surrounded by beauty. I'm surrounded by nature. Some beautiful, thick, lush wildlife. And we got some sunny blue skies. Don't get much better than that. Yeah, I see them. These grasshoppers are everywhere. Harm them in any way. Today's, by the way, is the 28th of July, 2020. It's a Tuesday, early evening, late afternoon. 28th of July, 2020. This guy's whipping through here. So much so he's making a little mini dust storm. Should be smooth sailing from here, eh? Yeah. Not many uphills. They're mostly downhill descents. Yeah, which we're on right now. We're on track for right now as we speak. Correct. This is the third and final of those 3 hill climbs. There we go. So a little bit climbing. A little bit of climbing here. A little descent here. Now we're going straight westbound, right into the direction of the beautiful sunshine. Some sunlight, guys. We good? Yeah. Is that it for climbing? I'm pretty sure it is. That was like the third and final hill climb. At least for this part of the trail. Until we hit the streets. Here's a golf course. I believe this is Bathurst Glen. Bathurst Glen golf course. We're gonna be passing right through it in a matter of minutes from now, because this takes us right across its main driveway onto Bathurst Street in just a few minutes from now. Mike, your hair is waving in the wind like a rock star. You feel it? Yeah. So this is like some kind of plastic. Oh yeah, this is toward the end of the trail. Wasn't too bad. Actually, you know what? It's pretty damn good. Here's a golf course. No alcoholic beverages beyond this point. Attention. Yeah, this is where it ends from the way we started.
You're going to use grinding?
On this thing, on what I'm riding? A few adjustments with the Phillips screwdriver, you'll be just fine.
Can't find it, grind it.
Yeah. A few bikers up ahead. And their crotch rockets. 3, maybe 4 or 5 of them. Oh, right now I can feel the pedal bob. Right now, the rear end's just going up and down, up and down. You think that guy's he's leaving Pearson? Well, he's doing the turn like he's heading towards me. He seems far too high. Yep, so there's a sign. Bathurst Glen Golf Course. Should we go down there? You know, let's make it for the video. We'll go turn around at the fences. And get some footage of some guys and ladies golfing. I'm sorry? No, I'm not. I'm sure they're trained how to operate those things, no? For the most part, they should be. No, they're going the opposite direction. Attention for the use of paying patrons only. To be honest with you, I'm not sure if I've ever swung a proper golf club before in my lifetime. 28 years now. Have you ever been golfing, Michael?
Mini golf.
Mini golf, yeah. That was what, like back in 01?
Back in 99.
Ooh, 1999. It's a long time ago. Yeah, maybe you've only been mini golfing before. All right, now we're going northbound on Bathurst Street. North on Bathurst. You're gonna see the sign up ahead, Township of King, because, well, we are in King City once we once we pass this signage. So now it's gonna be nice and smooth. 28,000 residents. Who knows when that was last updated? I have no idea. At least we got a good meter and a half, I would say, of clearance between us and the traffic. It's a good meter and a half, 2 meters. Which, when you can't see behind you, and these guys are all in a rush to get home, you know, I wouldn't mind a little more clearance. Let's hop on right here on the right. Yeah, there you go, buddy. Yo! There we go. Now it feels a safe distance away from the oncoming traffic. Everyone's in a rush to get home. It's up ahead there. I hope I don't get stuck in the middle of the road again on King there. That ain't gonna be pretty.
The one who led you into that situation?
Yeah, you were. I was following you.
Listen, man.
That's right. Yeah. Uh-huh. Ooh, this bike is loud. Listen when I get up this curb. Woo! That rear suspension, the coil. This thing's old, it's got a coil suspension. It's pretty damn loud. So there's a look at the sun. She's not setting quite yet, maybe an hour and a half from now. What? I don't know. I think it's up ahead more, toward the gas station. But yeah, right now we're heading northbound. The big dog thinks he's jogging. Big Chief. These gears don't work quite very well. Oh yeah, there's a statue there, like a mannequin. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but so later on today, I've got some new grips for my mountain bike for the Sasquatch, my Norco. It's the ODI Rogue lock-on grips, black and red. I'm gonna swap out my stock grips and throw those guys on there later on today. Yeah. Some bikers heading north. So now we just transitioned onto King Road. Hey, now wouldn't be a bad time to hang on. Maybe we'll cross up ahead. Hey Mike, after these two cars, we got the green light. Slow down, come over here. Or go there. Oh man, this thing is just slipping gears. No thanks.
You were right here.
Yeah,
You were right here.
I was in the middle lane earlier today. Uh-huh, I was. So now we're heading east. We're heading eastbound. Eastbound and down. What a beautiful day. It's like 28 degrees Celsius. Nothing but some good old sunshine. And there's not a whole lot of humidity either. It's just, this is perfect riding weather. For the street or for the trails. Pretty damn good. What's that?
All the cars looking for us.
Uh-huh.
It's just for camera. When there's no camera, they never do that.
Yeah.
So it's 2 inches from us.
Yeah, they do cut pretty close to us. In different parts of the day, I guess.
Then again, I shouldn't be really riding my bike on the road either, right? So
Yeah. Choice is yours. This thing is not the best at switching gears, mine. That's for sure. Whew, she's loud, man. That rear swing arm / coil shock is quite loud. I'm sure the camera's mic is picking it up, guarantee. No! Didn't see that. What's that? What?
back in the toilet?
What? On the road? If you want. I'm gonna follow you because I didn't see it. I did not see it. Oh, this thing is not good at switching gears, as you can tell. Oh, wow, yeah. Did you almost go in there? Wow.
Look. Look, I would have front flip.
Oh, yeah.
I would have front flip.
They should at least have a pylons here. One on either side. One switch. This bike is kind of loud. All right, so we're making the swap again.
I would have killed myself.
Yeah, we're going pretty fast here. All right, I'm back on the hardtail. The bike that pedals nicely and is not loud. He's got this thing in last gear. There we go. Much lower on this bike, as you can tell from the seat is pretty low on this thing. What?
Feels like I'm living in a third world country. It makes me ask the question, like, where's my country money go?
Uh-huh. That's pretty piss poor back there.
Anybody else happens to me, chop their head off.
Especially if you're on the little tiny street tires, even skinnier than this, like 1.5 inches. Watch out for this guy. This guy sees us. Whoa. You can't really put hard cranks into that bike or else you're just gonna slip. Your gearing's just gonna slip.
Whenever people see the camera, they look at the red carpet for us.
I don't know if that's the case. I don't know.
It's not the case, definitely not.
You would imagine so, but
Not recording, just having it.
a dummy camera? Yeah. I can smell the sewage from here, no? Really poor sewage in this area, that's for sure. Yeah, you gotta adjust those gears. I know. You're lucky you didn't send into that pothole back there. Oh, you would have been screwed, man. Yeah. I know. Yeah, but the only thing is on this bike, look at this. This grip comes right off. The left grip. Yeah. The left grip is okay, but definitely not the right. That's right. Wouldn't have it any other way there, bud. Wouldn't change it for the world. Wouldn't trade it for nothing.
Most of the world is kilometers.
Yeah,
At least the US for the most part is miles.
for the most part. Here's a Greek restaurant. Is that your boy?
Oh yeah.
Delivery boy? Yeah. That was it. Yeah. Yeah. He's just giving her, no? This guy's up at like 3 a.m. making, going to work for UPS. He gets an early start. All right, we're approaching the end of our little mini journey. I don't know exactly. What's that?
A little safari.
Yeah. How much clicks do you think we did back there altogether? One way.
Time to reach home.
Roughly 10 kilometers? Roughly, I guess. Give or take.
Again, kilometers, not miles.
Yeah. You can go for a cold beverage right now.
Something stupid.
Yeah. That was a lady.
Lady, I just felt that. I knew she was gonna do something
Yeah.
like that.
She would have just waited like another 10 seconds for the light to do it properly, but some drivers out there, they just don't think like us. They don't think like you and I. Yeah. Uh-huh. You're gonna send it onto the street there, bud. You're gonna send it. Well, not in a good way. Hey, you wanna go check out the boardwalk here on the left? We haven't been here in a while. This little boardwalk here on the left. Yeah, I see him. He's pretty low. Hang a left here, hang a left. Yeah, it's just pretty overgrown, I'd say, by now. Oh, yeah.
Right, weren't you?
No. Either way, left or right.
This is way more drawn than the last time.
Oh, this is overgrown big time. Uh-huh.
Way more drawn than the last
Mm-hmm. Whoa, I almost clipped that thing. We saw a deer here not too long ago, 2 deers. Nice. Nice.
Have a bell, you make your own.
Mm-hmm. I'll leave that to you, Michael. Did you let one rip? Oh man, I'm right behind you. I don't want to breathe that stuff in. I don't want to breathe in your waste. Yeah. You might see a lot of rabbits back here. A lot of them live back here in the forest, in the woods. Hell, we might as well go all the way down to the right, down to the other bridge down there. Have a look at the lake. We're gonna pass by the canal there.
The whole video you're gonna hear this bike is sweet.
Yeah, that thing is loud. It's a very, very, very loud bike. Yeah. We're gonna go down here by the canal / ravine. Yeah. Man, even every gear shift on that thing. Like, yeah, it's a solid bike, but it's a bit on the loud side. Like, I trust it as a reliability-wise, I trust it, but it's just a little bit noisy. It's old and reliable. How's that? That's a good slogan for that bike, old and reliable. I smell fish. If you're a vegetarian like myself, you don't really want to be smelling any sort of meat, dead or alive. Oh, hang on, do you think we're gonna see that big snapper here? There's usually a turtle here, guys, that he's been here for years. North of 10 years is my guess. Here, just likes to lurk here in the shallow waters. It's probably 5 or 6 inches deep. Yeah. I don't know, he's usually just chilling here all the time. It's a little bit swampy here and there. Yeah.
We don't want to be recording. Stay still, man.
Okay. So if you didn't already know, right now we're on Lake Wilcox. This is Lake Wilcox. Earlier we rode by Bond Lake. This is Lake Wilcox. Well, I'm behind the gap. Sun is still shining absolutely beautifully. Nice blue skies, not a single cloud in sight. You gotta love it. You love to see it. All right, well, that's it for this video. Want to say bye, Michael?
Ciao.
Catch you in the next video. Later.